I was talking about this in my last video. So me and Thomas are actually riding up to North Atlanta to go pick up my headlights finally, and it 100% is my fault. If you guys remember that I had gotten new headlights for my truck and then I sent them off to get them color matched, 100% my fault. I'm just lazy and I'm terrible about going to get stuff, and I finally just, you know, just said screw it, I'm gonna go pick them up. So shout out to Crisp Customs. Crisp Customs is actually the one that did my third brake light, which is really cool. And we're up here at Days Chevrolet. I guess it doesn't matter if I say what Chevrolet dealership we're at, right? Days Chevrolet. There's remember the kid that commented or DM'd me about me living. He has the pond across the street from out there, which is cool. We need to go fish at a subscriber's pond at some point on the channel. So we did a Ram that was this beautiful bright blue color, Ram Rebel, in my last video, and I was talking about this truck, and we're passing by, and I'm sitting there talking to Thomas, and I'm like, screw it, and I slammed on brakes, and I pulled into Days Chevrolet over here because they have two of these new body style refreshed front end Silverados with this crazy like lightning blue color. And I was talking about it in my most recent video, and I felt like I had to stop to show off this color. Like,
it's got a heavy flake, bro. It looks like good.
I would love to. Some guy was like singing going by. I would love. Jake was telling me, he's just like, why don't you, you know, you're gaining all these followers on Instagram, why don't you just sell both your trucks and pop out for 2022 with a bright blue refreshed front end Silverado? I really thought about it for a second. I really thought about it, but I'm paying that truck off next year, so I don't really want to get into like a big huge truck payment. But look how beautiful this blue color is. Like, it's
right here with the sunset in it.
It's got,
dude, that has a lot of
it's
flake.
got so much flake in it.
It looks like bass boat paint.
It looks just like the Rebel yesterday though. I love this color so much. Like, I would love to look. Imagine, so hear me out. Imagine that truck back there, 375s, right? 375s, chrome wheels on that.
Chrome lift kit too.
What? Chrome lift kit? Come on.
I dig it.
That would be fire, bro. That would be fire with that color.
Pops.
That'd be so fire with that color. D-badge the whole thing. That would be so freaking fire with that color. And they got some other cool. Look at these crazy factory wheels on this thing. They got some just freaking crazy colors now. I love this red. I think there might be one or two down there. Really like this red. I've always been a fan of like the Cajun red that Chevy does. That kind of flaky Cajun red. They've got this really nice dark blue color. All their colors have a bunch of flake in it. And then they got another one of these.
Dude, that blue is sick.
I need to figure out what color this is. This is like my Ryan Mayer vibes. I love this color. Absolutely love this color. Got your black, some more Cajun red. Look, see, that's the red that I like right there. When I first got into trucks, I've always wanted an all red truck like this with black wheels on it.
Fire truck red?
Fire truck red. Like, I love this. This is my favorite red in the whole world. Is this just real bright, just crazy red. Big black 26s or something, you know what I mean? That would be so sexy with the color matched door handles too. Oh, they got another one. Oh, look, this one's Z71 LTZ with the chrome accents. That's it. That's it right there. With the chrome accents. Wait, has it got the chrome front end on it too? Oh, I bet it does.
I said chrome bumper.
It's got chrome bumper. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, baby. You can't tell me with some like 26x16s. That mother would be riding right there. Holy crap. I need to, oh, it's so tempting. It really is. It's so freaking tempting. I want one so bad. If I get 1,000 likes on this video, 1,000 likes on this video, which ain't gonna happen.
Dude,
I'll sell them.
At this point, you don't know what can happen.
I don't know what's gonna happen. I gained 20,000 followers on Instagram this week. You never really know at this point. This is crazy though. I love this color. I had to stop by and show off this color because I was talking about it in the last video. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should come buy one of these. Maybe we'll come. Look, it's got Duramax too. Maybe we'll come price one. You want to come price one day?
Build one online.
Build one online and price it.
Or come in and build one in here.
I feel like we should come in and build one. Why not? I mean, just price it. Just see what happens. You know what I mean?
$80,000.
$80,000. Yeah. No, thank you. All jokes aside, though, old bow tie does look pretty good down there, though. It's looking kind of steezy down there. I'm not gonna lie.
Got a steezy.
Kind of steezy. I'm not gonna lie. I've never put him on the channel before, but Hal, our UPS guy, I had my truck parked out front, right outside the front door, and he was sitting next to me at the counter back there, and he goes, "Is your truck outside?" And I said, "Yeah." He said, "Why don't you wash it?" I'm like, "Hal, do you know me? I don't wash my truck."
You don't wash your truck.
And I said, "I was spraying champagne on it the other day, and I keep forgetting to wash it." You know, he said, "Man, it's light outside at like 9:15. Just go home and wash it." It's like my dad. I'm like, "No, Hal. Like, I'm not gonna go home and wash it. I need to." Honestly, look, it's bad. I don't know if you guys can see this. Look at the hood. I mean, it's bad. It's like sticky. It's almost like syrup. The champagne, because obviously if y'all follow me on Instagram, you've seen the video of me spraying champagne all over it. I mean, it's bad. It really is. And then I sprayed it all over the front, and I need to clean it up because I need to take these headlights out. We're going to pick up the new headlights. So we need to go. I need to pick up these headlights before it gets too late. Hey. Let's get his bread. Quick trip vibes.
My ass backwards.
Look what we got. Look what we got though.
Boy.
That's crazy.
Cinematic shot?
Huh?
Cinematic shot?
I don't even want no cinematics. I just want to look at it. You can't really see it in the...
Yeah. You want a flashlight on?
Yeah, put flashlight.
Does that help a little bit?
Yeah. Look at that color matched headlight though, buddy. That's beautiful. Shout out Crisp Customs. Absolutely killed the new headlights. I'm so excited. One of the coolest things about this, so you know we had the big cheese blocks in the corners? He painted over those, but just like the LED door handles that the light comes through on the door handle, the light comes through on these too. So you guys will see they're all color matched, but the light still comes through when you plug them in. So cool. Got the multi-projectors top and bottom. Shout out Danny from Alpharex. Shout out Alpharex Headlights, best in the nation. I got Alpharex taillights in the truck too. Hold on. Keys are over here. Alpharex taillights too. And Crisp Customs actually did the third brake light for me as well a while back. So at some point, we'll have to take these out and get Crisp Customs to do our taillights too, so we can have a matching set. So we'll have the third brake light, the headlights now, and the brake lights. Super excited. Our second quick trip stop of the trip, because we stopped at Quick Trip right when we left the dealership.
You got a little
Do I got a what? I got
other side a little bit.
I got something on my beard?
Yeah.
Really?
A little scrub.
Is it still there?
No, you got it.
I get so excited. I get so excited when I get something.
It just felt you're getting out.
Oh dang! I get so excited when I get something in my beard. Is that bad?
Is it a snack for later?
Yeah. Jake will be like, "Hey, you got some in your beard." I'm like, "Really? Really? I got some in my beard."
I think you're out of beard now.
Freaking new tail lights for the channel. Let's get this bread. Yeah, yeah. So in the original clip, I didn't show throwing it all on the front, like the clip where the actual, you know, spraying and everything. And then I didn't realize until like an hour after I'd posted it that it didn't show that too. Yeah. So then
one that you sprayed it all over the.
A couple days later, I walked up, you know, or a couple days later, I made the post of me, you know, flinging it all over the, and it's sticky too. It's not like, I mean, it's nasty. It really is. What? Yay! Hey, but hey, that's part of the grind, right? Look at the inside of the wheels too. Just trashed. Oh look, yeah, wow. Oh, bread gang out here. Right? Let me pull it around for you so we can. I mean, it's all over the window and everything. It's disgusting. It really is.
Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go. On 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me.
It's been a heck of a day here at the shop. Finish up this 2022 refreshed front end Sierra 1500. It's got this real dark gray metallic color, the chrome front end, aftermarket light on top. Something about these new Sierras I'm in love with. I'm in love with the new front end. I'm in love with the refreshed front ends on the Sierra and the Silverado both. They're my favorite right now. My favorite body style trucks that I've seen in a long time, other than the 14 to 15 that I have, obviously. Customer dropped this one off yesterday. 4-inch ready lift. Not big enough to go up up to a 6, you know, 4-inch, so can't do 35s, but it's definitely big enough to squeeze something wider than a 9-wide or a 10-wide in 33s that you would do on a Loveland kit. So you got that 4-inch ready lift with the control arms, 22x12 hard rock forged or famous forged chrome wheels. I'm actually a big fan of this wheel. I love the design, love the way that it looks. Gotta have the 33, 12, 50, 22 Nittos. If you're not running Nittos, what are you doing? Best tire in the nation, hands down, all-terrain mud tire. I just wish they made some for 26s. I really do. Nitto Trail or Nitto Recon grapplers, absolutely love them. Hard rock forged. I just, honestly, I really like the new front ends on these trucks. I'm excited that this is the direction that GM is going. I love that there's gonna be so many of these coming through the shop. I got one scheduled next week. I got one scheduled the week after. I love the new front ends. We're about to do, I'm pretty sure we're about to do a body lift on a 12-inch that we just did previously with some 44s or something big like that. It's just, we got all kinds of cool stuff coming through the shop right now, and I appreciate all the love that you guys have been showing to the videos. You guys have been killing it. Just hit 29,000 subscribers, on my way to 30, and I'm super blessed to be here. I'm a huge fan of the new front ends. I really am. If you guys didn't know that already. Just hit 62,000 on Instagram, which is just absolutely insane. I mean, I've almost doubled my following in 2 or 3 weeks. My Instagram's just been blowing up, and I love you guys so much for that. But just wanted to showcase the new body style Sierra that just came through the shop. I'm a big fan. Let me know in the comments, do you guys like the new Silverados better, or do you guys like the new Sierras? Every time I see a Silverado, I'm like, yes, I like that one more. But then when I see the Sierras, I don't know. Let me know in the comments which one you guys like more, the new body style refreshed Silverado or the Sierra. This is it. This is it. Moment of truth. This will be, before I open the hood, this will be the last time that you guys may ever see this truck with these headlights on it. I'm pretty sure Philip from the shop is gonna buy these headlights. And this will be the last time that y'all ever get to see the truck with these headlights. It's been a good run. You know, I've had these headlights for probably 2 or 3 years now, and we've made a lot of memories, and time they're starting to fog up and fade a little bit. I don't have any bulbs in right now, top or bottom. Actually, no, I do have one bulb down there, but the headlights are unplugged. So they haven't been working for the last 3 or 4 weeks, and I actually did get pulled over one time. So it's definitely time. But without further ado, most of you guys have already seen this on the channel, or will have seen it earlier in the video. Excuse the Chick-fil-A, but this is let's see. This is it. Our new color matched Alpharex headlights. I definitely think I held one up next to the truck earlier today. I think it's gonna look really freaking good. So I'm excited. Out with the old and with the new. It's gonna be a big change, but honestly, I really think it's gonna be worth it. I do want to go ahead and say that I was talking with Crisp Customs. He's also the one that did the third brake light. Probably said that in this video. Just throwing it out there again. I think I'm gonna end up doing these two so we can have the matching set. But this will be the last time. Oh, I'm excited. Can y'all hear my dogs yelling in the background? It's the life of having Huskies. They're loud.
Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go. On 3, 2, 1.
When I put the headlights in last night, to be 100%, I mean, it's a big change. It's a huge change to the front end of the truck. And like I said, I don't know if those other headlights are ever coming back. And I was a little iffy about them, I'm not gonna lie. And only because it's such a drastic change to the front end of the truck. But I genuinely think that the direction that I'm gonna start going with this now, I was gonna repaint the bow tie while I had the grill off, and I actually ended up breaking one of the tabs. I think it'll be fine, but Just gonna expose myself there. I was talking with you know, Crisp Customs, and I might need to just go ahead and continue on with the color match. I might need to just go ahead, get the whole grill color matched. He has one that's got the chrome inserts in here instead of the black. So I think doing the chrome inserts with the color match silver bezel around it or trim on the grill would look really freaking nice. And then getting the bumper color match as well, getting everything silver would really tie the front end together. And then obviously once we get the taillights done, get the mirrors done as well, door handles, I think going all silver and chrome would really be a good direction, you know, something different to do with the truck. But I want to give a huge shout out to Danny from Alpharex and Alpharex Headlights, and then obviously Crisp Customs for doing the amazing color match work. I love the way that the headlights turned out. So we've got the color match silver, we still got the running the daytime running lights with the sequential turn signals. As you can see in the little clip, they kind of start up and go around. I love it, absolutely love it. We got rid of the cheese blocks, so we painted over the orange side markers. You can still see the orange come through, kind of like the door handles, and I'm a big fan. That was one of the biggest things that I was worried about with these lights, but at the end of the day, I really think it turned out really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you guys like the new headlights? Do you like the color match silver over the chrome, if you guys remember seeing the chrome? Do you like the black version of these? Alpharex is, in my opinion, the best aftermarket lighting company as far as headlights, taillights, stuff like that in the game right now. You guys like them? Let me know what you guys think. I told you guys that we would be having more of my truck content on the channel, so I'm trying to continue with that vibe. You know, I got the Starlight headliner that's up on my list to do. I got the black armor bed mat I need to throw in the back of the truck. I got some rock lights for this. You know, may end up, you know, shout out JW Motorsports. JW Motorsports has some great wheel lights right now that I might check out and probably end up putting on the truck. I got some stuff going for the white truck too. And yes, for those of you asking in the comments, we do still have the Tahoe. The Tahoe sits at home most of the time, unfortunately, but it's cammed and it's loud and it's fast. And shout out Nitto. We all got Nitto tires out here. I posted something on my Instagram. Got ridge grapplers on the white bow tie over there. Got Terra grapplers on the Tahoe, and then obviously the trail grapplers on the wide bow tie. But I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hit the subscribe button. You guys are killing it on the road to 30K. Love you guys. Let's get this bread.